Hello everyone and welcome to Truckmania channel. The Scania R730 is an amazing truck, but how is made? The fabrication process of the Scania R730, one of the most powerful and iconic trucks in the industry, combines cutting-edge technology, precision engineering, and attention to detail. It begins with the chassis assembly, which forms the backbone of the vehicle. Using high-strength steel, the chassis is fabricated through automated welding processes, ensuring durability and rigidity to withstand the heavy loads the R730 is designed to carry. The next step is the engine assembly, where Scania's renowned 16.4-liter V8 engine is constructed. The R730's engine is meticulously built by highly skilled technicians. The crankshaft, pistons, and cylinder heads are precisely machined to ensure optimal performance, and the engine block undergoes a series of quality checks, including X-ray scans, to detect even the tiniest imperfections. Once assembled, the engine is mounted onto the chassis, marking a crucial step in bringing the R730 to life. Following the engine installation, the drivetrain and transmission systems are integrated. Scania's automated assembly lines use robotic systems to install the advanced OptiCruise gearbox, which contributes to the smooth and efficient power delivery that the R730 is known for. The axles and suspension are then mounted, designed to provide stability and comfort on long hauls. The cab fabrication is equally impressive. The cab frame is built from lightweight, corrosion-resistant materials and then fitted with reinforced safety structures. Robotic systems weld the various components, while human workers focus on precision tasks, such as installing the windshield, doors, and wiring systems. The R730's signature look comes from a combination of sleek aerodynamic design and Scania's attention to ergonomic detail for driver comfort. Finally, the truck enters the painting and finishing phase, where it undergoes several layers of paint to ensure durability and protection against harsh environmental conditions. The finishing touches include installing the luxurious interior, complete with advanced infotainment systems, climate control, and Scania's driver assistance technology. Each R730 undergoes rigorous quality inspections and performance testing before it leaves the factory, ensuring that every truck meets Scania's high standards for performance, safety, and comfort. This entire fabrication process showcases Scania's commitment to precision, innovation, and the production of one of the most formidable trucks on the road. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest truck innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.